Hello students, our next topic is electromagnetic field tensor. So in terms of four vectors, how can we write this electric and magnetic field vectors, that is E and B vectors, how they are represented in the form of a tensor and in terms of four vector. So we know that in terms of scalar and vector potentials, the electric and magnetic field vectors are B is equal to curly A, E is equal to minus gradient of phi minus dou A by dou T. Here B is the electromagnetic field vector and E is the electric field vector. So these three vectors are having 6 components, that is E having Ex, Ey, Ez component, B is having Bx, By and Bz. So let us denote this Ex, Ey, Ez as E1, E2, E3, Bx, By, Bz as B1, B2, B3. These are the different forms of different components of electric and magnetic field vectors. So from this equation 2, what is the x component of this electric field vector is minus dou phi by x component, that is dou x minus dou. The first component of A vector is A1, dou A1 by dou T. Since it is in the form of A1, let us convert the phi vector also to A term. So we know that I phi by C is equal to A4. So let us multiply this total equation with I, then we get E Ix by C is equal to minus dou I phi by C divided by dou x minus, let us write this as plus dou A1 by dou of this minus here T. So we have multiplied this equation with I by C. This negative sign is indicated in the denominator and we have multiplied this equation with I by C. Since minus 1 value is I square, so 1 I get cancelled. So the remaining terms are minus I phi by C is dou A4 by dou x or x1. Let us denote this x as x1, x2, x3, a1 as a1, a2, a3, a4, x1 as x1, x2, x4 in 4 vectors, plus dou a1 by, here minus 1 means I square, 1 I get cancelled, dou of ICT. So that is dou a1 by ICT is equal to x4. I phi by C is A4, then dou A1 by dou x4 minus dou A4 by dou x1. So this is I Ex by C component. Similarly, Ey component. What is Ey component? Ey is equal to minus dou phi by dou x2 minus dou A2 by dou T. Same as it is, multiply the total equation with I by C, then dou I phi by C is A4. Similarly, this negative sign comes to the denominator, so this total value is ICT. So I Ey by C can be written as dou. For x component we got A1 with x4. Similarly, for y component we got dou A2 by dou x4 minus dou A4 by 1 here. So dou x2. Dou a2 by dou x4 minus dou a4 by dou x2. So here we got same 2 but 4 remains constant. Similarly, I Ez by c is equal to, what is I Ez by c? Dou a3 by dou x4 minus dou a4 by dou x3. These are the three different components of I Ex by c, I V by c and I Ez by c. This I Ex by c is dou a1 by dou x4 minus dou a4 by dou x1. Similarly, let us write the components of B. So what is B? Curl of A. So B is equal to curl A. Curl A can be written as I j k dou by dou x1, dou by dou x2 and dou by dou x3 of A1, A2, A3. Then the component of B is equal to I into dou a3 by dou x2 minus dou a2 by dou x3. This is the component of I. Minus j, so if it is plus j, then we get dou a1 by dou x3 minus dou a3 by dou x1 plus k into dou a2 by dou x1 minus dou a1 by dou x2. So if you write this B as bxi plus byj plus bzk, then the components of bx, by, bz are. So this is, then what are the components of bx? Bx is equal to dou a3 by dou x2 minus dou a2 by dou x3 and by is equal to dou a1 by dou x3 minus dou a3 by dou x1 and bz is equal to dou a2 by dou x1 minus dou a1 by dou x2. So these are the different x, y, z components of electromagnetic field vectors. Then if you write down these components in the form of a tensor by taking all these equations into a single form, let us assume that let f of uv is a function of u and v given by dou av by dou xu minus dou au by dou xv. So all these equations are put together and they are written in the form of dou uv is equal to dou av by dou x4 minus dou au by dou xv. Let us find out what is IEx by c. IEx by c is dou a1, that means in place of v we have 1, dou a1 by dou x4, that means in place of u we have 4, minus dou a4 by dou x1. So this is nothing but f of uv. U is in the denominator, so u is 4, numerator it is 1. So we can write this IEx by c in the component form as f41. Similarly, IY by c is written as f42. Similarly, IEZ by c is written as f43. So this is f41, f42, f43. Similarly, bx can be written as, here u is 2, v is 3, then f23 and by is written as f31, bz is written as f12. So these are the different components of electromagnetic field vector components. all together represented in the tensor form. Tensor is a FUV. It is written as F11, F12, F13, F14, F21, F22, F23, F24, F31, F32, F33, F34, F41, F42, F43 and F44. Then what is F? So all these components are put in this equation and remaining components are 0. Then what is F11? There is no component here, so it is 0. What is F12? F12 is Bj. F13. F31 is By, then F13 is minus By. And F14, since F41 is Iex by C, then F14 is minus Iex by C. So if you multiply this with minus, then we get F14. Next, similarly F21. F21 is F12 is Bz, F21 is minus Bz. Next, F22 is, there is no F22, it is 0. Next, F23 is Bx. F24 is, since F42 is Ivx by Ex by C, then F24 is minus Ey by C. Next, what is F31? F31 is By. F32 is, since 23 is Bx, then 32 is minus Bx. And F33 is, there is no F33, 0. And what is F34? Since F43 is Iez by C, then F34 is minus Iez by C. F41 is Iex by C. F42 is Iey by C. Next, F43 is Iez by C. And the last component is 0. So in this way, in 4 vectors, these electromagnetic field vectors are represented in a tensor form. This tensor is also called the electromagnetic tensor, which is antisymmetric of rank 2, given by 0 Bz minus By minus Iex by C and minus Bz 0 Bx minus Ivy by C, By minus Bx 0 minus Iez by C, Iex by C, Iey by C, Iez by C 0. So this is the electromagnetic field tensor of rank